Ready to boost your English listening skills? Dive into part 3 of our Easy English Listening Test. The video is divided into 4 clear sections, each with specific instructions to guide you. Grab a pen and paper to jot down any key points as you listen. Before we jump in, a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, like, and share to support us in creating top-notch content. Your encouragement means the world, and a huge thanks to those who've already joined the community. If you're ready, let's go!
Listening Part 1. Listen to the dialogues and match the names with the characters in the video.
1.
Hello, there are a lot of people here today.
Yes, there are. Can you see Mrs. Lee?
Yes,
Where is she?
she's swimming with her son.
Oh, yes. She's waving to us now.
2.
Where's Mrs. Blake? Do you know her?
Yes, she's standing with her children.
Oh, is she wearing a green hat?
Yes, that's her.
Oh, yes, I can see her now.
3.
Where's Mr. Jones?
He's carrying the surfboard.
But which one is Mr. Jones?
The man with a cap.
Oh, I see him now.
4.
I need to find Paul. Can you see him?
Yes, I can.
Where is he?
He is playing with the sand.
Is he playing with his sister?
Yes, that's him.
5.
Look at June. She's in the water.
Which one is June?
She's surfing.
She has good balance.
Yes, it's her favorite sport.
6.
Is that Sue?
Where?
On the banana boat.
Which one is Sue?
She's sitting at the end.
Oh, I see her now.
Listening Part 2.
Listen and fill in the answers. 1.
Hello, Bill. Can I ask you some questions?
All right.
What's your family name?
Stone.
Can you spell that?
S-T-O-N-E.
Thank you.
2.
And where do you live, Bill?
12 Maple Street.
Can you spell maple, please?
M-A-P-L-E.
3.
Now, how old are you, Bill?
10. It was my birthday yesterday.
Oh, happy belated birthday, Bill. Did you have a good celebration?
Yes, I had a lot of fun.
4.
Now, what's your father's name?
David, like my older brother.
So there are 2 Davids in the family.
Yes.
5.
And your mother's name?
It's Nora.
Is that N-O-R-A?
That's right.
6.
Now, what's the matter?
My knee hurts.
Is it very bad?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Listening Part 3.
Listen and match the days to the activity pictures. 1.
Hello, James. What did you do last week?
Well, on Saturday, when it rained, I helped Mom. We did a deep cleaning.
Oh, good job. Cleaning is important.
The house is very clean now, Auntie Lee.
2.
What did you do on Friday?
We went to buy some new clothes. It rained that day.
That's right. Where did you go in the town?
Only to the mall.
3.
What did you do on Wednesday?
We drove to the book fair in town. I went with my friend and his parents.
Oh, what books did you buy?
Just a few comics.
Did you enjoy the fair?
Yes, but the weather was too hot.
4.
I went in shorts on Thursday. No, sorry, it was Sunday.
Where?
Bookstore. Dad drove me there.
Did you buy comics?
No, they didn't have comics.
5.
And what did you do on Tuesday?
Tuesday?
Yes. Did you go to the bookstore that day too?
No, I went to the beach. Dad and I went there in the morning.
Did you swim?
Yes, it was so relaxing.
6.
What about Monday?
It rained again that day. I didn't go anywhere.
What did you do?
Dad and I watched a swimming game on TV.
Did you enjoy it?
It was okay.
Listening Part 4. Listen and answer the questions. 1.
My brother's got a new car.
Oh, which one is it, Mark? That small one?
No, it's a beautiful, big one.
Is it red?
No, his last car was red. This one's yellow.
2.
What sport does your brother do, Mark?
He plays volleyball every weekend.
Does he like football or tennis?
No, he doesn't.
3.
Where does your brother work, Mark?
Here in the town.
Yes, but where? In a school?
No, he works in the restaurant.
Where's that?
It's near the zoo.
Oh, yes.
4.
Did you see your grandparents at the weekend, Mark?
Yes, we did. I was very happy.
Did you go by bus?
No, the bus is very slow. We flew there.
Oh, did you?
Yes, it's quicker than the train.
5.
It's my sister's birthday on Monday. What can I give her, Clara?
Does she like earrings?
No, she doesn't.
What about a dress?
She never wears dresses. She likes riding a bicycle with me.
You can give her a bicycle then.
Oh, yes.
6.
Do you want to come to my sister's birthday party, Clara?
Thanks. Have you got a birthday cake?
Yes, but my sister doesn't like cake.
What's her favorite food? Noodles?
She likes pizza best. She sometimes goes to the pizza buffet.
High five for conquering part 3 of the Easy English Listening Test. Want to keep leveling up your English listening skills? Like this video, subscribe for more epic lessons, and share the learning vibes. Remember, practice makes progress. See you on the next English adventure.